You're going? we got the Soylent.
Yeah, man, let's do it.
Wait, I want to smell it first.
Okay.
So what is this called?
It's Soylent.
Soylent?
It just smells like protein powder.
Yeah, exactly, man. That's what I was gonna say.
That's why I'm excited. I love protein powder. Do I just pour this?
Probably
Yeah,
what
dude.
most of it is.
I don't know, like a third of that would equal like a meal. I don't assume
I'm just
you
gonna
wanna
drink
eat
it.
a meal.
I'm just gonna set a cup.
Get like a small amount. Like, dude, like that much is probably.
Well, let's try it.
Like, if you drink like a whole thing, it's gonna be a meal.
Okay.
Like, you're gonna like weigh out on calories and shit.
Huh?
We need to figure that out.
Yeah, I know.
Boom.
I
Yeah.
want to get a piece of off.
I pushed to mix this. I'm just kidding.
Had some meat and I got one.
Bottoms up.
I'll go with tomorrow since it's what? It's already 5.
Oh,
Yeah, they're not gonna be there. So
it's like pancake batter.
Yeah, dude, that's what I was thinking. I can't.
It's straight up pancake batter.
Okay.
Emerald, you need to try it.
No.
Just one sip.
No.
One sip.
I don't want to drink pancake batter.
Just one sip.
No, not you.
Oh. Dude, I feel energized.
I know I'm working
I'm
out.
mentally aware.
I'll email everybody. I meant to get
So
out
what would
the
you,
survey, contact information for
would you
everybody.
recommend this?
It tastes like pancake batter. If you like pancake
Not
batter,
that I
go
call
for it.
anybody, or
I was about to
text
say,
anybody.
you
Okay,
tell
yeah.